how to apply mockups to any logo. You can download these mockups from Google for free. Before applying that, let me tell you what's mockup. A mockup is a static representation of a product showing users and stakeholders how it may looks and be used. It contains elements such as the typography, logos, image, color schemes, and navigation visuals that will make up the final design and user experience. So you can easily download any mockups from Google for free. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, you have to make a PNG logo design and download a mockup from Google Chrome. Download from Google to a zip file and open the zip file. It's automatically open on a Photoshop.